Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Microsoft gift card. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already logged in using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, hover to the shop Microsoft gift cards, and from here, you can choose anything to purchase digital content, alright? So you can use the card to buy games, apps, movies, TV shows, and music from the Microsoft Store. For example, I'm gonna buy me some Microsoft gift card digital code for $75, right? And you have the option to choose your configuration for $100, 75, 50, 25, 15, and 10. Now, I'm gonna choose 100 probably. You can add to cart. You can also pay for Xbox subscriptions such as Xbox Live Gold if you go to the Xbox gift card as well. Now, for example, if you wanted to use the Microsoft gift card, you can also use it to save some of the devices that's available here. And as you can see, these are the reasons why you wanted to buy from Microsoft Store. For example, there's multiple ways to pay, 60-day price protection, get cash for your used device, and of course you get a free 2 to 3 shipping days and 60 days return. Now, once you add this to the cart, what will happen is you would be directed here. Now, when you hover to the checkout, and if you wanted to, for example, you wanted to use this Microsoft gift card digital code, what you need to do is go to this specific website. The website link is going to be redeem.microsoft.com, and once you press enter, you will be directed to redeem your code or gift card. So for example, you need to enter the 25 character code. For example, this is going to be the numbers. All you're going to do is press next, and you will be forwarded to the redeem code, and you can use it to buy or subscribe to Microsoft software and services like Office 365. Now, the thing is, if you found the code gets an error and you tried to recheck that the code is correct, but the thing is it's not being accepted here on the redeem website, I suggest you do the following. All right, number one is at the bottom, click on the feedback and type in your concern. For example, there's an error with the Microsoft code, and click on submit. You also have the option to contact us here, and all I'm gonna do is just sign in and select the product you need help with, and that's gonna be the Microsoft, right? Because it belongs to the digital product. And after that, you would be able to get some troubleshooting guidelines on how to redeem your Microsoft gift card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.